Terra Classic gathers momentum for 10,000% rally to 1 cent as over 1 billion Lunc is burned. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Lunc ETF token. Thanks to the contract and the 5% commission, every transaction you make will fund and bring the Lunc token closer and closer to the ETF. Lunc needs catalysts, so Lunc ETF decided to create one of the best. I think Loon will break many ceilings in the crypto industry, so the link to the website and to buy Loon coin in the description. Let's continue with that. The Terra Classic gathers momentum for 10,000% rally to 1 cent. The Terra Classic community's fiery campaign aimed at reducing the vast circulating supply has kicked into another gear. A remarkable 1 billion Lunc tokens were permanently removed from circulation through burning mechanisms over 7 days from January 17th to 24. This aggressive push signifies the unwavering commitment of the Lunc community toward reclaiming its ambitious $1 target. CryptoBull, a prominent crypto personality and Lunc supporter, shared the exciting news on X. He wrote, "Lunc is unstoppable with burning and staking. We burned 1 billion Lunc in a single week and staked a whopping 7.1 billion Lunc. Notably, Lunc saw a remarkable surge in staking recently, renewing the bullish sentiment around the cryptocurrency and the Terra Classic ecosystem. CryptoBull's post showed a 14.95% increase in staked Lunc tokens during the same week, exceeding 7.197 billion. Further bolstering the bullish sentiment, data from Terra Classic's Stakebin platform confirms the accuracy of the reported data. Stakebin shows an astonishing 20 million Lunc tokens burned within the previous 24 hours alone. The peak of the token burn craze occurred at the beginning of 2024, with a staggering 5.66 billion tokens destroyed on New Year's Day. The momentum shows no signs of waning, as Crypto News Portal, another Lunc advocate and crypto YouTuber, shared a chart and predicted that the total burn count will surpass 100 billion tokens with the upcoming Binance token burn scheduled for next week. He stated that the 100 billion token threshold will be important for Lunc. This relentless pursuit of token reduction has created excitement within the Terra Classic community. Some members firmly believe that the path to 1 cent is gradually being set up. Lunc is currently trading at 0.30's $1,004. The digital asset has reacted favorably to the news, maintaining its place above the crucial 0.30's $1 level. However, reaching the coveted 1 cent mark from its current price would necessitate a significant 10,000% surge. Despite the encouraging progress, the road ahead remains challenging. Lunc's circulating supply still stands at a colossal 5.78 trillion tokens, highlighting the immense task ahead. However, the community is committed to the cause, as Lunc burns recently hit a new milestone. The current progress and the upcoming developments offer a glimmer of hope for the future of the beloved cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about that the Lunc Advances ICA controller proposal. Despite recent market fluctuations, Lunc and USTC prices fluctuate with varying trading volume. The Terra LUNA Classic community, including validators, voted unanimously in favor of the proposal to enable the ICA controller parameter. With 99.97% of the vote cast in its favor, the proposal exceeded the pass threshold before the deadline. During the recent correction in the cryptocurrency market, Terra Classic ecosystem tokens, Lunc and USTC suffered losses, and crypto exchange Crypto.com confirmed Lunc's delisting. Legislation 12005, consistently set ICA controller parameter, has received substantial community support and has surpassed the pass threshold. The deadline for proposals is January 28th. The proposal has garnered a resounding 99.97% affirmative vote, signifying the unanimity of community opinion. In addition, it was met with abstentions, vetoes, and negative ballots, which caught many influential community members off guard. Each of the 47 participating validators cast a vote supporting the proposal. Orion, Interstellar Lounge, Stakely, and Luna Station 88 are some examples. A validator with 16% voting authority, all nodes, has not yet cast a vote on the proposal. Previously, it was stated that the proposal's objective was to configure the ICA controller module of Terra Classic to the enable state. At present, a network error is causing inconsistency in the internal storage of the module, which hinders developers from exporting the Terra Classic state into a Genesis JSON file. Developers must implement enhancements when working on testnets. And lastly, let's discuss the Terra Classic price prediction. A recent proposal voted on by the Terra Classic DAO decided that a quant team should begin working on repegging the Terra algorithmic stablecoin, which has been rebranded to USTC. If this can be achieved, it would be a significant development, helping to restore faith in its ecosystem amongst the crypto masses. However, if the Quant team discovers it is impossible to repeg USTC, it could cause the Terra Classic community to lose hope in the project's future. Nonetheless, there are countless other ongoing developments in its ecosystem. Terra Classic has retained a respectable market cap and a vibrant and loyal community. It boasts 1 million Twitter followers, 85,000 Telegram members, and regularly appears in media headlines. Consequently, many projects have chosen to build on the blockchain, such as Backbone Labs, TFM, and Station. However, the adoption of the Terra Classic chain has curbed recently, gaining less than 200,000 new accounts in the last 10 months. In the months prior, the number of accounts on the network spiked significantly, showing much of the buzz around Terra Classic may be from investors looking to cash in on a cheap coin. With Terra Classic's reputation tarnished, so it remains to be seen if adoption will pick up again. Still, as the crypto bull run is expected to occur in 2024, and the Terra Classic team is putting in much effort to reignite the blockchain's success, we see a future for the project. Therefore, our Terra Classic price prediction forecasts a minimum price of $0.3096, a maximum price of $0.2014, and an average price of $0.2118 by the end of 2024. Whether Terra Classic can perform long-term remains to be seen. Its murky history and the recent Terraport finance hack undoubtedly put a strain on incoming ecosystem adoption. However, the Terra Classic community remains resilient, and developers have continued to push boundaries in terms of innovation. For example, in recent weeks, a Terra Classic core dev has proposed to build a community-owned, decentralized wallet. This follows the recent backlash over Ledger's new wallet feature that could compromise users' privacy and criticism of MetaMask's new overreaching privacy policy. Evidently, the Terra Classic devs are tackling industry-wide issues, so there is potential for long-term success. One of the reasons for continued interest in the Lunc crypto is the mass burning of the coin. Some entities involved in burning Lunc include Binance, KuCoin, and network validators such as Classy Sphere. So far, 100 billion Lunc have been burned, equating to almost 1% of the total supply. According to the Terrarity Lunc burn calculator, this could rise to 205 billion Lunc by 2025, equating to 2.99% of the total supply. With the supply reducing so quickly, Terra Classic could be one of the best utility tokens looking ahead. However, competition in the Layer 1 blockchain industry is fierce. Therefore, it is unlikely that Terra Classic will see massive gains since there are many other options that investors may deem more secure investments. With this in mind, our 2025 Terra Classic price prediction forecasts possible lows of $0.2013, highs of $0.202, and an average price of $0.20165 by the end of 2025. So how do you think? What is Lunc's next target? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunky token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.